Sorry.
That's all right. You can leave it or whatever.
Ready? Ready?
Yep.
Hi. My sister.
Oh,
And
okay.
daughter. Shut the door. You ready?
Yep.
Hang on.
Let him get ready with the camera first.
I'm ready.
All right, let him go. Oh, you've missed each other.
I know you.
Oh.
Seriously, stop.
So excited to see you.
Be excited, but not that excited.
How I roll.
Oh.
Aww.
The happy couple.
Yep, absolutely. Right next to each other.